Gusto mo na bang makahanap ng online job pero hindi mo alam kung paano? Or kagaya kayo ni Liz, ang sabi niya dito, thanks for the task, super helpful, pero looking forward na daw siya sa task number 5 ng VA Life this 2025 challenge at eto na yon. Kung gusto mo na maging virtual assistant pero hindi ka pa marunong magpakilala, we need to fix that today. Gagawa tayo ng voice introduction gamit ang Vocaro. In the world of freelancing, unang boses mo pa lang dapat may impact na. Many clients ask for it kasi gusto nilang marinig yung tono, confidence, and professionalism mo. And ang Vocaro ay perfect for beginners kasi libre, hindi mo na kailangan i-download. No need for other editing software. Super daling gamitin, swak sa mga hindi techie. Kung di mo pa alam kung paano gamitin to, here's your tutorial. Punta ka lang sa vocaro.com, click mo lang yung mic icon na kulay pula, and that's when you start recording. Magpakilala ka, pusin mo ng may energy and professionalism ang iyong introduction, click mo yung kulay pula na box to stop, pakinggan mo. Kung okay na, click save and share. I-copy ang link at isama sa iyong job application. Very simple, right? Ano nga ba ang sasabihin sa voice introduction? Before we go to the actual script, which I will, by the way, create a separate tutorial after this video, you want to make sure first na when you do your introduction, you keep it natural, keep it you. Obviously, you want to mention your name, yung skills mo, bakit excited ka mag-work with them, maybe add fun facts about you para lang mas personal at relatable. But again, sa next task, gagawa ko ng guide para mas plakado ang script nyo sa voice introduction. Now, make sure na ngumingiti ka habang nagre-record kasi naririnig yan sa boses mo. Gusto ng client yung friendly and confident sounding. Kasi pag may video introduction ka, mas tumataas yung chance mo na manotice. Kumbaga pinapakita mo na nag-effort ka and may proof ka na you communicate well, which is super important sa virtual jobs. Some of the relatable skills na pwede mong i-add sa yung voice introduction at gusto mong i-highlight would be you're good in speaking and understanding English, marunong makinig at sumunod sa instructions, marunong mag-organize, mag-manage ng time, techie or willing matuto kahit hindi expert at may positive attitude and good communication skills. Hindi kailangan na perfect. Kailangan lang totoo at sincere. Mas importante na marinig nila yung tunay mong personality sa boses mo. So go ahead, open Vocaro and try it now. Your online job is just one click and one voice recording away. Kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong easy to follow freelancing tips, like this video and comment ready sa next hashtag VA Life this 2025 task. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismes, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!